guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tandy. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through my usual daily routine for staying home in quarantine. So if you want to know how you can look cute while staying at home, then just keep on watching. Okay, so my skin is cleanse, prep. Now it's time to tackle this head, okay? The two styling products I'm going to be using, Even's Edge Control, my favorite edge control, hands down. And I'm also going to use a little bit of jam. My spray bottle, honey, I just spray it all over my head. Like, this is literally what I do, you guys. So don't come for me unless I send for you, okay? This is my routine. Now, if I was like doing like Zoom calls or something, I probably wouldn't put a bun in my head. Maybe I would like instead throw on like a ponytail piece. Really anything is appropriate as long as you feel good. That's all that matters. And then I just make a cute little bun. My nails aren't letting me be great right now. Okay, there we go. Bun is there. It's not the best bun, but it's a decent bun, right? When my edges are laid, I just feel so much better about my hairstyle. It just seems like it's polished. Are you the type of person who does your edges? Let me know down in the comments. Do you prefer your edges styled or do you prefer to leave them all natural? I'm curious. I think there's definitely a time and a place for either. Like with this look, I definitely didn't have to do my edges, but this is just something I like to do because I'm just extra as I guess. If you thought that that was it, you're mistaken, because I like to accessorize when I'm at home. It just makes me feel, again, a lot more polished. I have this little hand here that has all my jewelry pieces that I wear on a normal basis. I'm gonna start off by putting on my rings. Boom. This is my crooked finger, y'all, but rings are on. And I'm gonna take my necklace. This necklace is so cute. A nice, simple, dainty necklace will do you wonders, okay? It'll just make you feel a little bit more elevated with your look. This one that I have is by Givenchy. Givenchy actually makes some really nice jewelry pieces, really good quality pieces. I have quite a few pieces from their jewelry line. Also gonna take my bracelet. This is again another Givenchy piece. So I'm just going to place my bracelet on. Now that we've got that, I'm going to put on some earrings. Take these hoops. I love a good hoop. Okay, I am a hoopy hoe. So I'm gonna put this in my first hole. These are again by Givenchy. I'm telling you guys, they make some of the best jewelry, hands down. Like if you're on a budget but you still want to invest in like a good quality piece of jewelry, I would highly recommend investing in some of the Givenchy pieces. You can get them from like, I think Macy's carries them. You've got Dillard's. What's another like mainstream place? Oh, you can go to like Nordstrom. So now you see, earrings are on. It's all about paying attention to the details. Those small, fine details will make you look so much more put together. I told you guys, I'm the type of person who's huge on fragrance, okay? So, of course, if I'm staying at home, I need to make sure that my fragrance is popping, okay? Popping. What I use is a little bit of this Coco Mademoiselle body oil. This stuff feels so smooth on the skin. It's this, like when they say velvet body oil, like they really mean it. Spray that a couple of times over my body and just rub it in. And this is going to make me smell good so that I'll feel good, smelling good, looking good, feeling better, okay? So I've showed you guys exactly what I do while I'm in my bathroom. Now let me show you a few options on what to wear when you're at home. I'm about to put y'all on game. I put on my robe. It smells so good. It's just out of the laundry. These things are a pain in the butt, right? They never stay closed. They always start to slide open, right? Okay, so I'm about to put y'all on game because I think I figured out exactly how to tie your robe so that it does not budge. So first thing I do is I take this little guy right here. Now you know you're actually supposed to cut these off on any kind of garment piece, but I keep them on my robes. Here we go. Put that through the loop, right? Take this front piece, loop it through the front, okay? This is the key, y'all. This is like, this is tea. So I need y'all to understand that I'm putting y'all on game right now. So then I just cross, right? And it's something about this piece right here that keeps this piece squared away throughout the whole day. So then I just Come in like that. Tie it up. Boom, boom, boom. Honey, let me tell you right now, okay? This thing ain't going nowhere, okay? It ain't going nowhere. I can move around, but she's still going to be nice and covered. So this is a nice lounge set. My stomach is growling though, so let's make some lunch.
Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to take some of my favorite Smart Balance substitute butter. I am lactose intolerant, so you guys already know what time it is. And once that butter is all melted, I'm then going to crack an egg. Just gonna use a little bit of Italian seasoning. I actually had this quinoa bowl from the night before. If you guys want a detailed video on how I cook quinoa, let me know down in the comment. I'm going to reheat this quinoa and place it on the yellow plate. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of the meal, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video or found it helpful in any way, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and share it with your friends, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So hope to see you soon. Bye.